Thank you for watching. Today I'm replacing the wood on my 5x10 utility trailer that was purchased from Lowe's. Both the front and back piece is welded on. The back was really welded, so I could not do it with the tools I had, but the front just had this little L weld here in this corner that I cut with my reciprocating saw. There was a spot here in the middle, and then there was another L over there. So the only thing I needed was my reciprocating saw. I was able to just place it like this, cut this back, cut this back. I did the same thing on the other side. Got my prep bar, jammed it under, broke it loose. When I broke loose the other side, it was lifted up like that, so it was super easy just to snap that middle weld. None of these boards were bolted, so I can pick them right up. They're bolted on the cross beams, but they pried right up with my pry bar. And I'll just take my reciprocating saw and cut those down, and then go grab some new 2x8. So after I clean the trailer with some water, I've let it dry for a few hours. And then I ran to Home Depot and got some of this hammered black Rust-Oleum paint. And just gave it a quick once over. I'm going to go buy another can, but it does look much better. I figured while the wood's off, why not give it a complete facelift? Okay, so while I have everything apart, I went and got more black paint and scuffed up the toolbox with a green scratch pad, wiped it down good, and I'm gonna paint it also. That looks much better. Put the wood in. This is a Lowe's trailer, so I'm sure they use whatever crappy scrap metal they have. So this back piece had a bunch of weld, and I don't have a die grinder here, so I couldn't get it out. So I had to use my skill saw to just cut a little notch in a couple of places to get the boards to slide in easy. And now I'm just using these composite shims to get the spacing right. I went to the local hardware store and bought these to screw in from the top. I got 3-inch. I was gonna screw it down from the bottom, but I'd feel horrible if something shook loose and somebody got a blowout because of me. I have everything drilled and all the bolts in here, and I'm gonna do one more row across here. Okay, there's my 5x10 trailer all done. I got a little nuts and got another toolbox. I used the mounting brackets for the truck. I had to block it out with some wood and just screwed it through this way on each side. But it came out real nice. Gives me much more storage. This toolbox came out super nice. I carpeted the bottom and put a motion activated light on it. So sweet, I'm pretty happy with it. Thanks for watching. Hope your project goes as well as mine did.